Western Bracken County, Southern Kenton County, Southern Campbell County, Southern Boone County, Northern Grant County, East Central Gallatin County, Southwestern Claremont County, and Southwestern Ohio, until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Crittenden, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Williamstown, Walton, Falmouth, Claryville, Crittenden, Dry Ridge, Butler, Morgan, Mentor, Moscow, Neville, Mount Auburn, Browning Corner, Atwood, Grantwick, Ryle, Northcutt, Brack, Gupser Mill, and Gardnersville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Kentucky between mile markers 68 and 77. Interstate 75 in Kentucky between mile markers 154 and 173. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the official